How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we are unboxing the iPhone 14 in product red. This is a brand new red color for the iPhone 14. So it's different from the iPhone 13's red, and we're gonna have a look and see how nice it is. If we look around the box, you can see the writing as well as the Apple logo is all in red. If we look on the back of the box right here, we've got just this little slip right here, which we're going to pull. We'll pull that just up, just like that. Okay, pull that tab right there as well. And then we can wow factor the iPhone 14, there we go. So, wow, okay, so first thing I notice, this is a very, very vibrant red compared to last year's iPhone. So definitely just way out there. I actually prefer it over last year's model. There we go. So color-wise, you can see just how fantastic it looks as it shimmers in the light right here. We'll look on the side. I've already fingerprinted it up, but we do have from the side that nice aluminum trim just all around, which is really nice. We got the tab right there, aluminum all around. As you can see, I do have the SIM card tray. I am in Canada, and Canada chose to keep the SIM card tray, so I'm actually happy about that. And no, unfortunately in the USA, they got rid of the SIM card tray. It's all virtual SIM. So if we look in the back, you can see the double camera. Same processing chip as previous year's iPhone, but just a lot of more updated features. Let's go ahead and take the little sticker piece off. Oh, okay. I love doing that. It's just so fun to do that. But we'll put the iPhone down for now. We'll go ahead and have a look at some of the other contents inside of here. So we've got product red, our little thing right here. So it just says that they donate a portion of the proceeds of the product red iPhones around the world. They don't say exactly how much. SIM card ejector tool, which is always handy to have. Some sort of iPhone instructions. And then we do got our Apple sticker, just in the standard white, no color of iPhone sticker. Some years they do colors of iPhone stickers, and this year they just stuck to the white one. Designed by Apple in California, of course. Packaging for that. And then we do have our USB-C to Lightning, standard USB-C to Lightning. We're hoping next year they go USB-C and USB-C and we finally retire Lightning. I do like Lightning, I think it's good, but I think it's time that we just have everything the same and use the USB-Cs. I've got 1,000,001 of these cables, so I'm not gonna use that, so we'll go ahead and put that back right in the box, and that's pretty much it. There's no AC charger or anything like that included for your iPhones. Yeah, I mean, they got rid of those years ago now, so we don't have to worry about that. Again, we have tons of those. I like the box, very slim profile box though, and a very nice picture of the iPhone right there. And again, here is that nice, vibrant red iPhone 14. What do you guys think of this product red? Do you think it looks really, really good? I'm just amazed. I think it looks fantastic in my lights. Like I said, it's a better red than last year. It's definitely a better red than last year. You guys let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this one. We're gonna go ahead and install some screen protectors and cases and stuff to this phone. They'll be in future videos, so watch out for those. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.